If you are in Africa, try to learn these two particular skills. Try to learn one of them, because these two things is going to create billionaires and millionaires in Africa in the next 5 years. So if you are in Africa, try to learn these two skills. The first one is affiliate marketing. And the second one is drop shipping, because when you look in Africa, the economy is still at its infancy state. It's going to develop. As it's going to develop, people are going to be ordering online. So try to learn these particular skills and master it, so that you become the guru before everybody get to know about it. So drop shipping and affiliate marketing is the success that Africa is going to find in the market in the next 5 years. So try to learn these skills before it will be too late. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.